In today's quick video, let's see how we can create this text in a circle. Let's start by adding a circle. I'll remove the fill and change the stroke color to black. For the second circle, I will just press Command or Ctrl J to duplicate the current circle and resize it to fit inside the first circle. Our base is ready. Now I need a circle where the text should fit to. For this, I will duplicate the inner circle and resize it just to be bigger than the inner circle. We can now select the text tool and move our cursor close to the circle we want our text to be wrapped around. When you see that your mouse cursor has changed from a cross with a letter A to a cross with a wavy line, click on the mouse and you can now type in the text. The circle will now become a path for the text. To enter text on the bottom part of our composition, press Enter and type in the bottom text. It will look odd, but we will fix that in a minute. First, let's reposition the top text to be perfectly aligned in the middle. For this, we select the inner green marker and move this to the left. Let's also do this for the inner red marker, but this time move it to the right. We can now double-click the top text to select it and from the toolbar set its alignment to center. Perfect. To center the bottom text, we are going to repeat the same steps, but this time using the outer markers. Once we set the markers, we can select the text and center it. The final step is now to make sure the bottom text is aligned correctly between the circles. For this, we're going to use the character panel. You can enable it from the window text menu. To reposition the text, we can now decrease the baseline value. An easy way is to click and hold the mouse on the label and start moving your mouse. That looks about right. Awesome. Here are some additional tips for you. When you modify your text and it does flip around, it probably is due to the fact that the text no longer fits between the green and the red marker. To fix that, we can adjust the positions of the markers to make the text fit in between. Also, when resizing, make sure you use the outer resize handle, as this will also resize your text. When using the inner resize handle, notice how things get messed up, but when using the outer resize handle, the text nicely resizes with the composition. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you found this video useful. Until the next video.